How about you put the ladder probably on the window, and then that would be much safer than to. Ah, yeah. Windows very small.
Okay, look at that. Okay. How can they still know you do it like this?
They shut out the nail, the more resistant it has. 2 inch or 3 inch.
John, pictures we have it.
Yeah, come on, man.
You want to see what is in there?
Is that way?
No, man.
Oh, you got in.
And then you can see here, we get 2 bedrooms in here. Here we have yeah.
Oh, sorry.
There you get a bed set.
Who's charging their phone?
Where? And then this is what?
The bathroom. The bathroom.
Okay, I'm gonna open it.
Why is it? I walk from the outside.
Okay, you get a bathroom here.
She's using a nice bathroom.
Oh, she there.
No, just her stuff.
Oh, that's stuff.
What is that?
No, stuff. And then it's stuff. Oh, that's nice.
Looks good.
Okay.
So it has 2 rooms.
Okay, we already have a visitor in that room, right? So, where is Miss Anders? Can we open that door or? We're talking about this door. Okay, this door open for Can we open it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh,
Comfort? Is that your room in there?
okay.
Charging? Charging station. Are you charging it?
Okay, Kevin, you guys want to come and see
Somebody's
it?
charging us. Another lady.
Okay, this is the bedroom here. Yeah. What is that? Oh, that's a bathroom. Whoops. Here. And then we have 3 there, so we get 7 bedroom set. You know, it's all ready.
This is comfort. Yes, comfort.
Yeah, Comfort is living here now. Okay. And this whole bathroom. Yeah. All right.
That's nicer than my bathroom.
Chaos. Okay, let's go.
Lots of chaos with
All right, we're now heading to the other side of the apartment. We just done. We are at the other side of the apartment. That's the same style.
This is beautiful. Look at this.
That's it.
One of the thing with that stick, it has to open small.
Yes. Dit is